This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake and chock the rear wheels. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter from the toolkit where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the vehicle body chassis rails and raise the vehicle until the front wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the chassis rail and lower the jack. Fully slacken the retaining nuts and remove the road wheel. Locate the road wheel over the mounting studs. Refit the retaining nuts and tighten them lightly. Raise the vehicle slightly, remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel nuts to the specified torque. Remove the wheel chocks.